Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jahnavi Raghav Singh Explore the Other Side. Today in this video we are going to discuss about roadmap for placement preparation, a student guide for MNCs. For more updates, please do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. While coming to the actual concept, we have lots of doubts regarding the placements preparation. We don't know what is the procedure of the placement and how can we get placed in campus. So here there are some steps which can be easily followed by everyone to get placed in MNCs. Firstly, these steps are common to every year students like first year, second year and third year, but the only thing is second and third year students should hurry up the process. Now coming to the step 1, learn languages. Yes, learning the languages is very much important, but while coming to the reality, every person has doubts like which is better language and which is better language for placement. When we go through these questions, the answer for these questions are totally different, because in the first we see about future scope, about the language. While coming to the second, we see these to get placed, like some languages like C, C++, Java and Python are used for placement preparation. Actually, as a first step, we have to learn a language perfectly. Either it may be C, C++, Java or Python. Any one language we should must learn it clearly. Based upon every individual, it takes nearly 3 to 4 months to learn it perfectly. Coming to the step 2, algorithm and data structures. Algorithms and data structures are the heart of many companies which is visiting your campus. It doesn't matter whatever language you may learn, but the concepts of algorithms and data structures should be strong. Because majority of the companies has a basic criteria as algorithms and data structures. Step 3, competitive coding. Yes friends, till now you learned all the basics of programming language and algorithms and data structure. Coding helps you to understand how the questions might be asked in coding round. There are many platforms available to practice your skills. Some of the best websites are Geeks for Geeks, HackerRank, HackerEarth, CodeChef, TopCoder. Basically, these platforms help you to practice conceptual wise. To ensure better practice, be consistent, because small things matter a lot. 4, important theory. You might be from different branches like CS, electricals, electronics, mechanical or civil. Know the basics of below listed concepts: networking, DBMS, OS, computer networks, OOPS and concepts, testing. Opportunities for other branch students might be less compared to CS, but if you are good with theory knowledge, then you can crack the interview for on campus or off campus. Friends, now coming to the step 5. Time to play is the time 2 to 3 months before the placement session starts. Between third year and fourth year is the perfect time to start preparing for quantitative aptitude. Apart from communication skills, make sure that you are good at mathematical skills and analytical skills to pass the phase 1 of placement sessions. So make sure that you practice previous papers of that particular organizations. As friends, many of the MNCs has the habit of repeating the previous year questions. Coming to the placement procedure. Yes friends, now we will speak about the placement procedure. First one, percentage criteria. Both on campus and off campus, our percentage is the main criteria for eligibility criteria of any of the MNCs. So make sure to maintain a good percentage in your academics. Coming to the second one, it has 2 rounds. One is of MCQ questions and another one is coding round. In first MCQ questions, it may be asked from aptitude and programming. And while coming to the coding, they may give you a question and they ask them to solve it. Coming to the third, technical interview. Friends, did you remember our step 4 about theory? Yes, here it will be used. In this round, they ask us questions regarding to the theory which we have discussed in our step 4, and we have to answer it. Now coming to the step 4 and final one, HR interview as friends. Here we get a chance to meet HR and we will speak about our strengths, weakness, etc. I would like to tell you one thing. Invest in today for better tomorrow. So I hope you like this video and you share this video whomever it is necessary, because many of the students have lots of doubts regarding this placement procedure and how to get prepared for placements. And you can give your valuable comments in your comment box, and you can share your views, and you can directly mail me to my mail ID if you have any queries or any ideas regarding the videos. And the article link is given in our description box, so you can go through it also. All these things was shared my brother, who got placed in one of the topmost MNCs a year ago in campus placements. So it will be helpful to all of us. Just share to your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Signing off. Bye bye.